Oh my god, the amount of times I've had to film this, it's been like 1,000 times. And then yesterday I posted and then it went wrong and then it got copyright and then, oh my god. Then I had to delete it and it's long, so I have to film again. This is probably like the 1,000th time I've had to film. Yeah, but it's all cool. I will do it again. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I French braid my hair very quickly, literally just using 2 elastics, 1 comb, mousse and a soft brush basically, and that's all you need. So you literally just want to start off with a middle parting straight down your head, and then make sure both sides have been brushed out. Oh, and guys, a hairband will be ideal as well. So like, just to look like a crazy punk, you just put it up looking like that. So you can focus on this one side here. And while you're looking like this, you want to make sure it's tight so that you can focus all on this side. And so you get your mousse and just get some more. Spray it and put it all over your hair. Honey, you want to be looking like a snack, yeah? You need to make sure your hair is nicely put back. Anyway. Literally from the first section, you make your section like this, and you get 3 strands, and you just literally braid it on top of each other, and then you add in hair as you go along. And then literally for the next side, you literally just repeat everything. So making sure all the hairs that stick up stay down with either your mousse, your gel, your Dax, anything. Just so it look like yo slaying, boo. You know? No. Then you literally just want to repeat the same steps again. So you get the first section this side, 3 strands, braid, and then pick up hair, add it in, So guys, this is the finishing look. Really quick, easy hairstyle, very easy. I mean, if you know how to braid, then you got no issue. Literally just add in your hair as you go along. Practice makes perfect, you know. So all you can say. I would say this is very quick, and if you want to do it quick and get out the door, then do it, you know, that's it. Anyway, let's hope this video actually goes up very well with no copyright, and it will all be good and I'll be happy. Yeah, please. Anyway, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, everything like that. The only thing I would say with my hair is that I've got big curly hair, so if I was to braid my hair like this, it would stop here and it would bounce up, and then no, you don't want that. No, you'll be looking like, hello. No. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that really quick video. I can do loads more hairstyles if you want me to do it. You know, comment, say, I will. And thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.